Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today, we're gonna talk about Hydrokinesis. With Hydrokinesis, you are able to control and move water with your mind. Not many people are able to do that, and today I'm gonna teach you how you can learn it. When it comes to any kind of kinesis, there's never a guarantee that you can learn it. Some people spend years and they never learn a kinesis. Especially when it comes to those specialized kinesises like hydrokinesis. It's very hard. Sometimes it's harder for others than for the others. To me, hydrokinesis is easier than for other people. For me, it's Pyrokinesis, which is hard. Hydrokinesis is a little easier. So it really depends on the person. To figure out which kinesis is best for you, just try them all and see which ones you feel most comfortable with. So now, how do we learn hydrokinesis? First of all, we do the breathing technique. 100% in and 50% out. 100% in, 50% out. So when we focus on the water, okay, we need water to practice hydrokinesis. And in order to do hydrokinesis with the breathing technique, you need to focus on the water. To try to build a connection to the water. And you do that by finding the water inside of your body. Humans are made to 70% out of water. Find the connection to the water within you. Then you can focus on the water outside your body and build the connection. At the moment you have the connection, you will feel it. It's like a warmth inside of your stomach. Maybe a little tingling in your fingers, and then you can move it. Then you can control water with your mind. Try it. Try it now or later, and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for every members of my channel. You can become a member now, where you can get special tips and tricks. Thank you so much, and have a good day.